AI isn't just helping creators anymore, it's replacing them. Writers, editors, designers, roles that once took years to master, are now being challenged by AI tools that can produce professional-level work in seconds. Today, we're diving into the exact AI tools that are replacing creative jobs and what this means for your future. For years, people believed creativity was the one thing machines could never touch. Robots could build cars, algorithms could analyze data, automation could handle repetitive tasks. But creativity? That was supposed to be uniquely human. Then AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, Runway, and Canva. AI arrived, and suddenly the creative world flipped upside down. These tools can now write full articles, edit videos, design logos, create illustrations, build websites, generate marketing campaigns, produce animations, and even write entire books, all from a single prompt. Let's start with writing, the job many thought AI could never replace. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, AI Jasper, AI Copy.ai, Notion, AI can write, blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, social media captions, product descriptions, research summaries, SEO, optimized articles, and they do it instantly. No writer's block, no missed deadlines, no burnout. These tools can mimic tone, style, and structure with shocking accuracy. But here's the truth. AI can generate content, but it can't generate original human insight. It predicts patterns. It doesn't understand meaning. So yes, AI can replace basic writing tasks, but the writers who thrive will be the ones who use AI as a creative partner, not a competitor. Editing used to be a specialized skill that required years of experience. Now, AI tools like Grammarly, Quillbot, Hemingway Editor, Descript Adobe Podcasts, AI can fix grammar, improve clarity, rewrite sentences, detect tone issues, remove filler words, clean audio, cut video clips, add subtitles, remove background noise. Descript, for example, can edit video by editing text, something editors could only dream of a few years ago. Adobe Podcast I can turn low-quality audio into studio-level sound with one click. These tools don't just correct mistakes, they enhance your entire style. But again, AI doesn't understand nuance. It doesn't know when a pause adds emotion or when a sentence needs personality. AI can polish your work, but it can't replace your voice. This is where things get crazy. AI design tools like Midjourney, Dolly Canva, AI Adobe Firefly, Figma, AI Leonardo, AI can now create logos, design posters, build websites, generate illustrations, produce 3D models, edit photos, create animations, generate brand kits, all from a simple text prompt. You don't need Photoshop skills. You don't need drawing experience. You don't need design training. AI does the heavy lifting. And for many businesses, that's enough. Why pay a designer hundreds of dollars when Midjourney can generate 20 logo concepts in seconds? But here's the catch. AI design is fast, but it's not strategic. It doesn't understand brand identity, emotional storytelling, audience, psychology, long-term vision. Human designers who combine creativity with AI tools will dominate the future. Let's be honest. Yes, AI is replacing tasks. Yes, AI is replacing roles. Yes, AI is replacing some jobs, but it's not replacing creativity. It's replacing repetitive work time, consuming tasks, low-skill assignments, basic content creation. The creators who survive are the ones who evolve, the ones who learn AI, the ones who adapt, the ones who use AI to multiply their output. AI isn't taking your job. Someone using AI will. Here's the exciting part. AI doesn't eliminate creativity. It amplifies it. One person can now do the work of an entire team. AI can design, but humans define the vision. AI can write, but humans tell the story. The future belongs to creators who understand both. Creativity plus AI equals unstoppable. AI isn't the end of creative careers, it's the evolution of them. Editors, writers, designers, your roles aren't disappearing, they're transforming. The question is, Will you fight the change or use it to become the most powerful creator you've ever been? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which creative job do you think AI will transform next?